Hi, welcome to a video from Robojax. In this video we are going to see the quality and test this soldering mat. This is called Vestar soldering mat, and it's sold on the Amazon.com for about $9 or about $13 Canadian. So the width of this one is around 13 inch or 33.5 centimeter, and the width is 22.5 or 9 inch. So let's open it. So this is a silicone made, the material. Why I purchased this is that many of these spots on this mat that I have or on a table, if you use your hot soldering iron, so as soon as I put it, it creates a spot or it burns it. So this is supposed to protect and not burn down. So let's test this. So my soldering iron is very hot, as you can see. So let's test it. There are spots, but I don't know if it was burned or not. So I'm holding it for a longer period. No, except some small spot. I'm holding and pushing it now. So this is nice. Definitely a nice product. And also it has some room here. So when you're working with components or maybe some modules, resistor, capacitor and stuff, you can just spread them around. All these holes also have been labeled properly, and so these small spots also, they all have numbers in case if you want to put some item here and write down that which screw or something is from somewhere. These are very tiny but still worth it. And also here it has been labeled with centimeter and millimeter as a ruler. So the compartments are nice. As you can see at the corner we have a round shape. And here they've written screw position. So these are for that purpose. So after damaging some area of this pad and also my table I bought it, I regret why I didn't have this before. So if you're soldering a lot, then definitely this is a must-have. It returns back, so very soft. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Take care.